This is the one out of my son's 2011, and you can probably see how that's all burned and rusted and corroded. I'm guessing that is why we don't really have full function here. So I'm going to take this apart. It's maybe a 1/4 inch. I tried a 6 and a 7 millimeter and neither one fit, so I'm going to try the 1/4 inch. While I've got this out, I'm going to look and see, make sure, try to clean up the contacts and stuff. You can see there's a lot of black dirt, dust, whatever in there. Since this unit was out of the dash and they had it in that police equipment, there's no telling what it was exposed to. This generally seems to be a pretty good and safe cleaner for circuit boards and electronics, but obviously that burned up one there is going to need a little more TLC than just a spray. So like I said, I'm going to pull that, take this piece out, and see what I can figure out in there. See if this is like a relay or if it's just something I can clean up, solder, whatever. So yeah, so it's a 1/4 inch, and then you just kind of turn it a little bit and then it pops out. And then it looks like I'm probably going to be able to pry in there with a screwdriver to make this white part separate from the black. I may have to do it top and bottom. And then I'll be able to see what all the electrical connectors are in there. Alright, listen now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was able to fix it, basically cleaning up the contacts in there. That whatever they had done where it was melted, I just cleaned the plastic off and then I touched up with some solder just to make sure, but that's all it was. So yeah, glad that was it. Anyway, hope that helped somebody else. If you got that problem, it may just be the contacts in that switch not making good contact.